Welcome to the Islamic General Knowledge Quiz channel. You will have 50 questions and 10 seconds to answer each of them. But if you are new to the channel, then please hit the bell icon to receive upcoming amazing Islamic general knowledge videos. Let's start the quiz. Which surah was revealed first in the Quran? Surah Al-Alaq. How many verses does the Quran contain? (62-36) verses. What is the first word revealed in the Quran? Iqra. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Falaq? The daybreak. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Mulk? The sovereignty. Which surah has the most verses in the Quran? Surah Al-Baqarah. In which surah is the longest verse of the Quran found? Surah Al-Baqarah. Which surah is known as the heart of the Quran? Surah Yasin. How many times is the name of Prophet Musa, a.s. mentioned in the Quran? (136 times). How many chapters, surahs, does the Quran contain? (114 chapters). Which surah is the shortest in the Quran? Surah Al-Kafir. Which surah is the longest in the Quran? Surah Al-Baqarah. In which language was the Quran revealed? Arabic. Who was the first person to memorize the entire Quran? Prophet Muhammad. In which cave was the first revelation of the Quran received? Cave Hira. How many sections, para, does the Quran have? (30 sections). How many parts, manzil, is the Quran divided into? (7 parts). How many Madani surahs are there in the Quran? (28 Madani surahs). How many Makki surahs are there in the Quran? 86 Makki surahs. How many times is Hajj mentioned in the Quran? Once. How many ayats does Surah Al-Ikhlas have? 4 ayats. Which prophet is mentioned the most in the Quran? Prophet Musa, AS. Which surah is called the opening of the Quran? Surah Al-Fatiha. What is the name of the angel through whom the Quran was revealed? Angel Jibreel, AS. Which surah has the second most ayats in the Quran? Surah An-Nisa. How many times is the name of Prophet Yusuf, AS, mentioned alone in the Quran? 5 times. Which prophet received the book of Psalms, Zabur? Prophet Dawood, AS. Which prophet received the Torah? Prophet Musa, AS. In which city was the Quran first compiled into a book? Medina. In which caliph's reign was the Quran compiled into a single book? Caliph Abu Bakr R.A. In which month was the first revelation of the Quran received? Ramadan. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Kafirun? The disbelievers. How many ayats does Surah Al-Azr have? Three ayats. What is the meaning of Surah An-Nisa? The women. What is the meaning of Surah Al-Ahzab? The Confederates. What is the meaning of Surah Maryam? Mary. Which surah is referred to as the mother of the book? Surah Al-Fatiha. What is another name for the Quran in Arabic? Al-Furqan. Which surah is the last in the Quran? Surah An-Nas. Which surah is the most frequently recited during prayers? Surah Al-Fatiha. How many times is the name of Prophet Ibrahim, AS, mentioned in the Quran? 69 times. Which surah was revealed in defense of Hazrat Aisha, R.A.? Surah An-Nur. How many times is the name of Prophet Muhammad, S.A.W., mentioned in the Quran? 4 times. Which surah is named after a woman? Surah Maryam. Which surah discusses the story of the Prophet Yusuf, A.S.? Surah Yusuf. How many times is the word Allah mentioned in the Quran? 2698 times. Which surah has the same number of verses as the number of years Prophet Noah, A.S., lived? Surah Nuh. Which surah in the Quran is named after a metal? Surah Al-Hadid. Which surah was revealed to comfort the Prophet Muhammad, S.O.W.? Surah Ad-Duha. Which surah is also known as the chapter of the elephant? Surah Al-Fil. Which surah is also known as the chapter of sincerity? Surah Al-Ikhlas. Which prophet's name is mentioned 25 times in the Quran? Prophet Isa, A.S. In which surah is the story of the people of the cave mentioned? Surah Al-Kahf. How many times is the word Jannah, paradise, mentioned in the Quran? 147 times. Which surah mentions the Battle of Badr? Surah Al-Anfal. Which surah is referred to as the criterion? Surah Al-Furqan. Which surah is known as the table spread? Surah Al-Ma'idah. Which surah mentions the incident of the slapping of the Prophet Musa, A.S.? Surah Al-Qasas. Which surah in the Quran is named after a day? Surah Al-Jumu'ah. Which surah was revealed in defense of Hazrat Maryam, R.A.? Surah Maryam.